Hi, my name is Mike Zuckerman, and I'm going to demonstrate and overview Queplix's Data Quality Manager, our newly announced product, which is part of QueCloud, the industry's first data integration and data management cloud. Data Quality Manager is also integrated with our Virtual Data Manager, our on-premise version, which runs hosted on VMware. And all of this is designed to increase the quality and integrity of the work you do, whether it's building out business integration for business intelligence, data warehousing, connecting your Salesforce and NetSuite, or your SAP and your PeopleSoft, or powering virtual master data management across a global enterprise. Data quality is an essential and core component and is integrated at all steps of the process with our data integration and data virtualization capabilities. It is a core and essential component because without data quality, data integration doesn't work, business intelligence doesn't produce the correct results, and you can't even begin to approach solving a problem like master data management without it. I'm going to log into the system, and the first thing you're going to see in our dashboard for QueCloud is the connectivity. These are the points where security permissions are applied to connect you to a data source, which could be relational, object, XML, even NoSQL like Cassandra or MongoDB, and you can see all of the structure of the data. That data structure is exposed here in our data dictionary. You can see the metadata or the data structure. So for example, for Food Mart, I can see the tables, and now I can see the structure of the data in that tables, the names of the field. I can actually drill into the data now pursuant to my permission, and I can see specific data inside the system and sample it. So I look at this particular table, I click on an element, and now I am inside the system, and I am looking at the data elements in that system. And here you can see for Food Mart, product ID, customer ID, store ID, promotion ID. We're looking at the data, but the power of advanced data virtualization is such that we're in the virtualization console in QueCloud, but pursuant to our security permissions, we're reaching back into the data source to look at the actual data. It's a very powerful capability. You can't do this any other way, and it's what gives advanced data virtualization the speed and automation that provides the return on investment for our customers. This is a unique capability. Connect to all the data automatically, see all of the structure automatically, and then look at the data structures. Now let's look at data quality. Here for data quality, we'll look at our Food Mart example, and let's look at a job that was set up. You can see that we selected Food Mart Employee Quality as the name of our job. We picked the field, the tables that we wanted to run that against, and here you can see that we've decided that we wanted to run quality checks against certain fields in that table. We want to see if there's null fields in first name or full name. Null fields, of course, mean that we've perhaps violated data governance. We want to see the top 5 values based upon ranking in some of these fields, in this case top 10. If it was negative, it would be the bottom 5. We want to see the high and low for the range in this column. We want to check for duplicate values. Value check is we want to find specific things, like does it contain this, right? Format check is where we check for syntax, and we use no programming to do any of this. We use a high-level Excel-like formula builder that makes it intuitive and obvious for business users to sit down and to get this system to work. It's very fast, it's very easy to use, and it's highly automated. You're checking syntax, you're looking for duplicates, you're doing many functions that in other systems require all sorts of SQL programming and command line statements, and you're doing it instantaneously against data that we just connected to maybe 5 minutes ago. Even threshold values, we can define thresholds where show me everything above it and below it, and it's really that easy. Once you do a data quality job, you store it, you go into the job scheduler to run it or to program when you run it. For example, you may want this job to run before you do a data integration or a data harmonization. So why would I want to harmonize data between Salesforce and NetSuite if I'm going to have a data quality problem and end up with 4,300 rejected records? So that's the kind of capability built into the system. You can do your data quality against standalone sources, and then you can map it together so that when you do integrations, you get the quality you need. Now, if I look in my data quality tab, I'm going to look at some of the jobs I have scheduled, and you can see they're all different jobs. They've all run. And now I'm going to go into report and analytics to see what reports were run for data quality. Let's see what we did only a few minutes ago. And for this particular job we put together, we wanted to find out, things about the data. We wanted to find out null values. We wanted to find out specific values, and all of this data is here. You can click through to tables to see what you need. It's very, very easy. Duplicate entries. Expressions means that you can say very specific things with your Excel-like builder and find those results. And then we can look at quality trends, where for this data you can see since the last time you ran the report, how did the quality of the data change? And these are things that are very important to us. Over time, data stewards need to see how their data quality is changing. Everything you've seen here from soup to nuts can be set up in 5 to 10 minutes. It's very fast, very easy, very automated. It's data quality in the cloud. It's here today, and Queplix has announced it and made it part of our QueCloud offering. We hope you get a chance to find out more about this. There's so much more to show you here. So I'll look forward to speaking with you live and sharing our story, and perhaps making you one of our new customers. Thanks, and have a great day, and we'll look forward to speaking with you soon.